Welcome to Byte Further. Today's video is about what to do if your iPhone 10 won't turn off. This video will be divided into two sections. Why will your iPhone 10 not turn off? How to fix iPhone 10 that won't turn off. Okay, first, why is your iPhone 10 frozen and won't turn off? There are mainly 5 reasons why you can't turn off your iPhone 10. First, you use the wrong button combinations. Pressing the side button only will not shut down your iPhone 10. Instead, you'll need to hold down either volume up or down button and the power button on the right. Then, the slide to power off message will appear, enabling you to swipe it to the right to shut it down. Second, the Glitchy software. Sometimes, your iPhone 10 gets frozen on the home screen, the lock screen, or even a black screen. You can't open any apps, not even the settings app. Your iPhone 10 will not turn off with a side button. It won't let you use buttons to force a restart either. The third reason is the failed update. If you're confronted with iPhone 10 not turning off issue right after updating the iOS software, the update failure might be at fault. The fourth reason is the corrupted system. The system could go wrong at times, leading to the iPhone 10 not powering off and remaining frozen problem. The fifth reason is the broken side button. If you use the right button combination to power off your iPhone 10 but you can't see the red power off slider, the power button might go wrong. Finally, other hardware issues. Maybe the display is faulty so that you can't swipe to shut down your phone. Perhaps the broken hardware components prevent your iPhone 10 from turning off and get your phone stuck on the spinning wheel. Now, the second part, how to fix iPhone 10 that won't turn off. There are mainly 4 solutions to fix iPhone 10 not turning off. First, turn off iPhone 10 properly. Unlike iPhone 7, iPhone 6, or the previous versions, you can't switch off iPhone 10 with the power button only. You'll need to press the either volume button and the side button on the right side for a few seconds. Then, the red power off slider will show up. Move it to the right and it'll turn off by itself. You can also shut down your iPhone 10 in the Settings app. Go to the Settings app. Scroll a little down and tap General, then, scroll all the way down and tap Shutdown. When you see the slide to power off prompt, move the slider to the right and wait for your iPhone 10 to turn off. The third way is to turn off the device using Assistive Touch. This way only works when the Assistive Touch is enabled. Go to the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit and tap Accessibility. Choose Touch. Then, tap Assistive Touch and enable the Assistive Touch option. Then, you'll see a gray circle icon appears. Tap the gray circle, tap Devices, choose More, and tap Restart. When prompted, choose Restart again. Now, your iPhone 10 is turning off and a few seconds later it'll turn back on. The second solution, force restart your iPhone 10. Sometimes you do see the power off slider, but the screen is frozen and you can't swipe it. Or, the buttons are not responding or you can't open the Settings app. And your iPhone 10 still freezes and won't power down. In such cases, force restart your iPhone 10. Doing a forced restart helps refresh the corrupted system. It unfreezes the screen by turning off your iPhone 10 and then back on, without deleting anything. All you need to do is to quick press the volume up button, the volume down button, then keep holding the power button on the right side for around 20 seconds until you see an Apple logo. Got it? Okay, let's do it. Quick press the volume up button, the volume down button, then keep holding the power button on the right side until the screen shows the Apple logo. Now, your iPhone 10 is powering off and you might need to wait for 20 to 30 seconds to let it boot up. Okay, the Apple logo shows up. Release the button and your iPhone 10 will be not frozen now. The third solution is to update iPhone 10 iOS software. If your iPhone 10 won't turn off frozen screen after an update, perhaps the update file is not installed well. To fix it up, you'll need to update the iOS software again. As your iPhone 10 won't turn off or open apps, you might be not able to update it right on the Settings app. Worry not. An official way to update the software when your iPhone 10 is frozen and won't turn off is to put the device into recovery mode and update it with iTunes or Finder. Okay, now, grab a USB cable to connect your iPhone 10 to a laptop or desktop computer. If you use a Windows PC or a Mac running macOS Mojave 10.14 or earlier, open iTunes. If you use a Mac with macOS Catalina 10.15 or later, run Finder. Then, put your iPhone 10 into recovery mode. This step will help iTunes or Finder quickly detect your frozen iPhone X and no data will be wiped. Quick press the volume up button, the volume down button, then keep holding the power button on the right side. Keep holding the button even when you see the Apple logo. Now, let go of the button when you see the recovery mode screen, showing connect to computer icon. Go back to the computer and you'll see a message popping up from iTunes or Finder. It asks whether you'd like to update or restore your not turning off iPhone X. Choose the update option, finish the following steps, and wait for the update process to complete. Now, your iPhone X turns off. Then, it'll reboot and go back to the home screen. You can use your iPhone X as normal again. Now, here comes the final solution: factory reset iPhone X. If you still can't turn off your iPhone X with either hard reset or update, your final solution is to clear away everything and bring your device back to factory defaults. Make sure you've backed up your iPhone X content before, or you'll lose everything. Here's how to factory reset your iPhone X. Connect your iPhone X to a computer. Then, open iTunes or Finder. Next, put your iPhone X into recovery mode. Quick press the volume up button, the volume down button, then keep holding the power button on the right side. Keep holding the button even when you see the Apple logo. Now, let go of the button when you see the recovery mode screen, showing connect to computer icon. Go back to the computer and you will get a message to update or restore your iPhone X. This time, choose the restore option and finish the on-screen steps. Then, it'll wipe clean your iPhone X and reinstall the software into it. That's all you can do when your iPhone X won't turn off. Hope this video can help you turn off the frozen device. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.